Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcane, myself Arnab Kundu. Today's video on Arduino, and today's topic is that to blink an LED with Arduino in Tinkercad. What is Tinkercad? Tinkercad is free web application, online 3D modeling program that allows users to build electronic circuit, coding and to design 3D objects. So go to the computer screen. Through Tinkercad web application, I will show you how to design a circuit and coding for to blink an LED with Arduino. Okay, so let's dive in. So friends, today I will discuss on Arduino, and today's topic is that to blink an LED with Arduino in Tinkercad. Actually, what is Tinkercad? Tinkercad is a free web application, right? Tinkercad is an online 3D design and modeling tool developed by Autodesk, right? It is widely used for creating 3D digital designs, circuit simulations and coding. Okay, Tinkercad can be used in the Internet of Things, means in IoT domain, especially for educational and prototyping purposes, right? The use of Tinkercad in IoT extends beyond basic prototyping and serves as a foundational tool for those exploring the integration of hardware and software components in IoT systems, right? Tinkercad can be specifically utilized in IoT projects like simulating IoT devices, visual programming with Arduino blocks, prototyping IoT concepts, creating virtual IoT scenarios, education and skill development, connectivity and data visualization, right? Tinkercad functions as a simulator, particularly in the context of electronics and circuit design. Its simulation capabilities allow users to create and test digital circuits, including microcontroller based projects, without the need for physical components. So our project is on the board of Arduino UNO R3, where the microcontroller name is ATmega328P. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through Tinkercad web application, today I will provide an example how to design a circuit for to blink an LED with Arduino in Tinkercad, right? So go to the computer screen. So just see, we are within the Google Chrome and I have already logged in with my Google account, and just type here Tinkercad, right? And whatever the first search is there, this is the website for Tinkercad web application is concerned, and from there we go to login button, okay, and from there we choose student accounts, okay, and sign in with Google, because I have already told I have login already with Google account, right? Just click on sign in with Google, okay. So you just log in with Google account within this Autodesk Tinkercad, okay. Now at first what we do for design the circuit and do the coding. So at first just click on create and select circuits, okay. So lots of component for IoT is concerned, just provide in the right window, okay, and from there is a given Arduino UNO R3. We just click it and drag within this particular window, okay. So this is our Arduino UNO board, and for to blink an LED we need a LED and a resistor, and the resistor should be 220 ohm. So in that case we choose a LED from here, and this is the anode which is go to the digital pin, and this is the cathode should go to the ground. Suppose we choose the LED color from there, suppose we choose blue color LED, okay, and we choose the register from here and just connect with this anode, and we just set the value of this resistance 220 ohm, right? And from there we choose a particular color of wire, and from there we just connect with the digital pin 8, right? And choose another color of wire from cathode. It just connect to the ground of this Arduino UNO R3 board. Okay, so circuit is complete for to blink an LED with Arduino in Tinkercad. Now go for the coding to run this LED for blinking is concerned. So just click on this code, this window, and choose from there text and select continue. Whatever written, just remove it and write our own code. So for this particular LED is concerned, the pin number we choose 8. So just write here int pin equal 8. Okay, this variable will be taken here. And we know for Arduino UNO R3 board and for IoT is concerned, the coding we are doing through this embedded C language, where we need two different functions. One is void setup and another is void loop. So at first we define void setup, and within that particular function we write here pin mode, this function. As argument we send at first pin, which is the pin through that the LED will be blinking, and particular pin should display the LED for blinking is concerned. So that's why it should write here output, means through this pin the output is shown, means the LED is blinking, right? And close this void setup function, and then we write the void loop, which is continuously going on until unless we had stopped the circuit, right? So now here we at first write digital write, this function, and send the argument pin and just put another argument high and put the delay, this is another function, and put suppose 2000 millisecond, means 2 seconds, and then again write digital write, and same way send the argument the pin, which is the pin number 8, and just write here another argument low, means on off, in that way it's going on, and again put the delay, and same thing, suppose it's 2000 millisecond, means 2 seconds, and close this loop function. So we already write our code, so we just click on that. Okay, and now start simulation. Just see on the circuit if the code is right. So the LED is blinking after 2 seconds. 2 seconds it on, and after 2 seconds it will off. Again 2 seconds off, and again 2 seconds it will on, right? So if we stop the simulation and if we change the code for this delay is concerned, if we want to blinking more frequently, so in that case suppose put here 500 millisecond. Okay, again close this, run, start simulation. Just see this blink is frequency is increase, right? I hope you have understood to this video how to do this IoT circuit and the code using this Tinkercad web application. Suppose we put the name of this circuit, so in that case we just write here the name, just write here blink and LED using Arduino. Okay, so this name will be shown here. I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcade for more videos, and also write what type of video you want to see in my channel. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.